Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nillion token from the Nillion network. Ticker symbol is NIL, N-I-L. Now this token is available for pre-market trading starting today, February 8th, on a very big central exchange, and I'm sure there's going to be many more listings popping up here for normal trading and maybe even pre-market trading as well. And we're going to go over the information on the NIL token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen right here at Nillion Network. It says, humanity's first blind computer, the internet's base layer for all private data, has a link to their webpage, Nillion.com, 213,700 Twitter followers, 2,507 posts, and the gold verified check mark there. So now they just had an airdrop event, so that appears to be over. Now this token just became available today, February 8th, 13 hours UTC time, which has already passed. The NIL token is available for pre-market trading on Kucoin pre-market, and you can find details at the Twitter Kucoin COM or at Kucoin pre-market. And it says, get ready to trade early and be a part of the next big revolution in secure data computation. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. So basically, pre-market trading is where you can get pre-tokens or points. They're not the actual token. So if you want to learn more about that, you can head over to Kucoin.com, and they are going to tell you more. If you just search pre-tokens, they'll let you know exactly what that entails. But that is a whole other video if we talk about that. But just be aware that it is actually not the actual token. It is the pre-token, so do not get it confused. And if you follow Nillion Network, I'm sure that this token will also be listed on Kucoin when the TGE comes about, and they're going to announce when that is, and then also many other central exchanges as well. And so just follow this Twitter right here. So besides the Kucoin pre-market trading that started today, there will be many more ways to get the actual token coming soon. So Nillion, humanity's first blind computer. Nillion is a secure computation network that decentralizes trust for high-value data in the same way that blockchains decentralize transactions. So they have here a document section. If you go to docs.nillion.com, there is tons and tons of info. We're not going to go over all of it, just the main points here. But basically, Nillion's a decentralized data storage and computation network, and an accompanying a suite of tools that together allows builders to build novel, powerful applications that leverage high-value data in a safer way. Its modular and flexible architecture makes it possible to leverage cutting-edge cryptographic techniques to accomplish this, enabling both more secure versions of existing workflows and unlocking new opportunities. So early builders in the Nillion community are creating tooling for private predictive AI, secure storage and compute solutions for healthcare, storage solutions, and secure data such as credentials, and secure workflows for trade data. So what is a blind computation? Well, it is when sensitive data is encrypted and stored. The traditional approaches to doing useful work with that data involve decrypting it to in order to perform any necessary computations, and this decrypt, compute, re-encrypt cycle not only exposes the data to operators of the computing infrastructure, blind computation makes it possible to perform useful work on data while it remains encrypted, even if the operator of the computing infrastructure does not possess the ability to decrypt it. Now, what are blind modules? Well, Nillion makes blind computation possible by leveraging a number of privacy-enhancing technologies, such as secure multi-party computation and encryption. Each blind module packages and combines one or more PETs in a developer-friendly way, bringing these capabilities to a broader audiences. Now, the use cases, number one is secure storage. With Secret Vault, it is possible to use a straightforward and familiar RESTful interface to store and retrieve secrets on the Nillion network. And it is up to the developer which PET they want to use and on which node or cluster of nodes that they want to rely on. So encryption offers data protection and supports computation over data even if only one node is being used. So secure multi-party computation makes it possible to go one step further, making it possible to store a decentralized way while relying on the strongest form of encryption possible. So using secret data analytics, builders can implement workflows that operate on encrypted data at larger scales. The ability to compute using both MPC and encryption is combined with the NoSQL foundation that is familiar to software engineers. Now, builders are free to choose different points in the trade-off space between different PETs and to choose which Nillion network nodes they use to perform secure computations. Then they have the signatures. So Nillion signatures make it possible to leverage MPC to perform signing operations without relying on a trusted third party. Nodes within the Nillion network cluster can store a key in a distributed encrypted form while still being able to jointly run a protocol to sign a message. And lastly, RAG, combining retrieval augmented generation, which is RAG, with PETs makes it possible to leverage this powerful feature of contemporary AI solutions while storing data in encrypted forms at all times. And this can unlock new use cases by reducing the amount of data that must be decrypted to accomplish a given task. So go check this token out for pre-market trading as of now on Kucoin. And if you follow the Twitter here, I'm sure they're going to announce many more listings coming up in the future. Let me know, what do you guys think about the NIL token down there in the comment section? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.